Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Yo, 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 yo. What's up, beautiful peeps? Alright. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this very delicious stew pork and bean. Look at it. Don't this look magnificent, don't it? So right here I have about 3 pounds of pork, and I'm just gonna add some salt to taste, also some pepper to taste, and I'm going in with some smoked paprika as well, and some Cajun seasoning. Also 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, and this is homemade green seasoning, guys. And also 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and if you have a dark soy sauce you can just use 1 tablespoon instead. And I'm just gonna rub it all in. And look how this look like you can't eat it and not even cook yet. Look how flavorful it looks. So with my stove on high heat, I'm now going in with 2 tablespoons of corn oil. Also 4 cloves of garlic, and I use the side of my knife and crush the garlic to release the flavor. Also gonna add 20 grams of ginger, and I also did the same with the ginger. Use the side of a knife and press it to release the flavor. Now I'm going in with my pork. Alright, as it hit the oil, you smell that fragrance just popping up. Trust me, this smells so good. And I'm just gonna brown my meat for about 5 minutes before I add any water to it. Alright guys, so this is what it looked like after 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some water, and I'm rinsing out the basin that I seasoned the meat in, just to get that extra little flavor out. So after cooking for over an hour, I'm just gonna go ahead and test the meat to see how soft it is. Alright guys, so yeah, the meat is cooking enough to take the re-seasoning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of re-seasoning, and I'm using some natural seasoning, some tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, spring onion, red and green bell pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, thyme and rosemary. And I'm just gonna add my natural seasoning. And guys, you should be smelling this right now. Trust me. Yo, the whole house just bursting with flavor. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Come on, man. I know you like these videos. Look at it. Look how colorful and beautiful this is. I know your mouth is running right now. Just hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell, just to notify you whenever I have a new upload. Alright guys, so now I'm going in with 540 ml of lima bean. I'm using 1 full can of lima beans. Also gonna add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now I would say the more beans, the merry, you know, the more nice and flavorful this is. Alright, so guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. Just look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Honestly guys, I just have to go in one more time with another close-up, just to show you how beautiful this look. Just look how delicious this look, guys. Just look at this. Whoa, I'm gonna enjoy this with my rice and peas right now. Alright guys, now here I have the finishing product right here. Oh, look. Look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright, so you can go ahead and whip this up with whatever side you choose. But as for me, I'm definitely gonna have my rice and peas. And guys, I'm gonna leave a link below to the rice and peas video. Actually, this video and the rice and peas video was shot the same time. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of taste test for y'all, and look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Alright, so just let me show you another close-up. Wow, guys, trust me. Yeah man, this shot, this bad. Trust me, this shot, this sell off. This sell off, guys. You definitely need to try this one. Trust me.